Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Friday the 21st of July and I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we'll be looking at the charts of the Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen. The Aussie dollar's been very strong since it hit a low in April. However, looking at the charts, I would now expect a consolidation. However, given the strong upside momentum, I would expect this just to be a flag before we get the next move upwards. So here we have, as usual, the daily. Each candle represents one day, and you can see that we've been in a strong uptrend on the Aussie dollar virtually since we had this double bottom, which was confirmed back in June, and we could then see that there was upside momentum coming into the market. We broke through the moving averages. We've had golden crosses on the moving averages, and it's been a one-way movement. However, we have had a consolidation overnight. Yesterday we had a doji pattern of uncertainty, and I think this is the start of a consolidation period. You can see from the RSI that we approached 80, we were overbought, so there'll be no surprise that that comes off. And you can see also the MACD indicating that slight momentum has been lost as the short term already is back at the longer term picture. On the weekly, you can see that the problem is that we're up to a key resistance level. This dates back from the end of November 15 and goes up to about 90.5, 90.7 around there. We had two key weeks then, and then we had the big pullback, and that is severe selling pressure. You can see there was high volume on those weeks, and that is going to create a resistance. What we'll see is that I expect the Aussie dollar to move sideways from here in a flag picture, and then hopefully then it will have the momentum to test that resistance. You can also see obviously that the 200-week moving average is virtually at spot. That's at 88.74 and is a negative influence as it tracks down. The other moving averages are moving up. In fact, there was a golden cross on the 2050. That was back in December and bodes well for the medium term, but now we're up against the 200. That's the dominant factor. RSI is showing an overbought level. It's 68.31, which is as high as it's been on the weekly. MACD is still showing positive momentum. On the 4-hour chart, here you can see that we've already cracked down below the 24-hour moving average, and that if an uptrend line were drawn, we'd be right at the bottom boundary of that uptrend, with the next key support seen at the 54-hour 87.99. Here, momentum has definitely been lost. We've broken down. Also, it's below the low that we had on the last dip, which kind of confirms the negative momentum. RSI presently at 44.92 and the MACD are negative. Looking quickly at the support resistance levels, 89.335, that's the immediate resistance from the high of this week, and then as I said, that high from back in 2015 is at 90.56 and is a critical resistance. On the supports, we've got 87.497 and then 87.04. So this has been TA for Traders, looking at the Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen. It's had a really good move. We've had a doji. We've lost a bit of upside momentum, and really I'd expect a flag to be created. Once the flag is confirmed, this will take a week or two, maybe even longer, We will then get a break upwards, and then hopefully we'll get a break of that longer term resistance. Many thanks for watching this video. Please do remember that these videos are for information only and are my opinions, and they are not meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.